I am 15 miles into my ride today from Kingman to Grand Canyon Cavern Campground, which is just past Peach Springs. It's been very quiet out here. I have a big shoulder, although it is quite rough. There's a lot of cracks in the asphalt. The traffic is very light. In fact, I would say there's a lot more traffic going into Kingman than coming out. And I am guessing it's people coming into town to run errands. It's Sunday, so people are probably going to church. And I've been just watching the traffic behind me and really just going out into the road where it's much smoother. I found a guy's GPS map on Ride with GPS for this particular ride, and the first 15 miles are down, and then it's pretty much a steady uphill the rest of the day. So I think pretty soon we're going to start going up. It's very gradual on his map. The steepest climb I could see was 4.4%. Just to give you an idea, yesterday's ride, a big chunk of the climbing was at 10 to 14% grade. And so I'm expecting I'll use up some battery, but probably not as much as yesterday, although I have 4 batteries with me, and I may want to just put it in boost mode for some of this ride just to knock out some of the miles. It's 62, so I probably have about 45, 46 miles left to go. It's just about 9 o'clock in the morning, and even though it's a big day, it feels pretty good out here. It's cool. The winds are supposed to pick up, and I'm thinking it's going to be a tailwind. They could be as strong as 20 to 25 miles an hour, so I might get a little help beyond the electric assist getting up some of this climb. We will see as the day goes on. So, all right, yeah, here we are. Route 66, Kingman to Peach Springs.
Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
So I stopped at a really fun place, Hackberry, and the guy running the store has a YouTube channel, Valentine's Station, and we were exchanging tips and our struggles with YouTube, and I did a little interview with him. It was very, very fun, and really the reason why I stopped was to change the battery for my e-assist. So I've got a fresh battery in there. And I got about 25 miles out of the first battery, and I think I have about 700 feet of climbing. So, all right, yeah, let's go. Let's head on down Route 66. Yeah, I think this might be Ruben's place here, Valentine's Station. Yeah, there it is, the sign, Valentine's Station. Yeah, more historic Route 66 stuff. It looks like we are cresting a hill. But this sign that says passing lane 2 miles, that means we are going back up. At the top of a climb, and I needed to stretch my legs a little bit. Just wanted to walk around the trike, make sure everything's okay before I go downhill. Yeah, as I'm riding, I can't even feel the wind, because it is just a massive tailwind. This is the sign. That means we're gonna go down. Oh my gosh, you guys, I made it. Caverns Inn, Grand Canyon Caverns Inn. And oh my gosh, it's looking kind of sketchy here. Let's see. I have a feeling the front desk is here. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get checked in. I am checked into my room at the Caverns Inn, and I actually had to move some snow away in order to get my trailer in the room. The room is so small, I'm gonna wait to put the trike in. I gotta get organized. But look at this, it's so old. And it's the Beatles room. So there's posters and pictures and records, and the highlight is the Abbey Road shower. Yeah, today was a really big day. I did 63 miles and 2,800 feet of climbing. It has been a really long time since I've done that many miles. I think it's been years, in fact. And I did actually pretty well. It was very cold this morning, so I was really bundled up. And I had just a huge wind. The gods were smiling on me today. It was a massive tailwind. It was probably blowing 20, 25 miles an hour. I bet it gusted to 30, maybe even 40 miles an hour. And if it had not been a tailwind, I would have had to stay in Kingman for another day. But wow, it just kind of pushed me all the way here. And I did go through, well, I switched out 2 batteries, so I need to charge 3 batteries. And, and I switched them out before they were completely run out. So it looks like I'm getting about 30 miles to a battery with a lot of climbing. So that I think is pretty good. And I've got my batteries here charging. There's hardly any outlets in this room. I always come with an extension, a power strip. So I've got both chargers, and this actually has a USB port and USB-C ports. And so that really helps a lot. And Route 66 is very nice. Big shoulder today, although it was quite rough. The asphalt had a lot of cracks in it, and so there was hardly any traffic. So I spent most of the day riding in the traffic lane, and then when the rare occasion somebody drove past me, I just went into the shoulder and then back into the traffic lane. So that worked out well. A lot of hills, but very friendly people. Everybody was giving me honks and thumbs up. I had a man on a motorcycle stop, like he kind of rode next to me and told me how visible I am. He said, "I think I can see you like a mile away." Excellent. Feel very safe hearing that. And a woman stopped and she gave me $5. And then at the last stop at the, I don't know, tribal lodge, a man and his wife were stopped there, and he said, "I have watched your YouTube channel." He said, me and my wife, we just bought trikes and we're in the area hiking. And I mean, you can't imagine how small these little towns are. They're just little dots on the map and not much more. So that was really fun to meet another triker on the road. So yeah, tomorrow we'll see how I feel. I feel pretty good at the moment. I think a hot shower is definitely going to help. Yeah, welcome to Peach Springs.